Dorothy. I'm going to show you how to dilute your Thieves Dish Soap so you get 3 bottles out of 1. That's right, we're going to dilute it into thirds. So you need a brand new Thieves Dish Soap and 2 empty bottles. If you don't have empty bottles, that's okay. You can put 2/3 of the dish soap into a clean container. So let's get started. I'm going to pop off the lid of the new one. I'm going to pour 1/3 into each bottle and have a remaining 1/3 left in the original bottle. So let's see how I do here. I'm going to use a funnel to help me out here. Does it look like 1/3, Drew?
Getting close.
I think that's about 1/3. So then we're going to put 1/3 into the next bottle. And I like how they're clear on the back so you can see what you're doing. Now, you don't have to have it perfectly 1/3, but you want to try and get as close as you can. And you can see that the products are super concentrated. They're through the thickness that is going through the funnel. Conventional dish soaps would be a lot more watery. So we have 1/3-ish in each bottle. And then the rest is pretty easy. I'm going to keep my funnel here because what we're going to do is we're going to add a teaspoon of baking soda to each bottle to give it a little boost. You don't have to worry about your diluting making the product less effective or diluting the cleaning power, because we are giving it a boost with the baking soda, and then our next step is to add household cleaner. So we're going to put a teaspoon of each of baking soda into each one, and then we're going to add a teaspoon of Thieves household cleaner to each one. If you have the smaller bottle of Thieves household cleaner, you can add a capful. If you have the large bottle like I do, we're going to add a teaspoon into each bottle. And I'm just going to pour super slowly because it comes out nice and fast. Ooh, look how good I'm doing pouring. That's pretty good. One more.
Don't choke under pressure.
Oh, I'm not. See this hand? Nice and steady.
Oh, you're good.
3 for 3. Next step is we are going to boost it even more by putting in 2 to 3 drops of each the lemon and Thieves essential oil into each bottle. We're just going to pour or drop. See, I'm not a very good counter. That's why I say 2 to 3. Maybe it's 4. Maybe it's 5. The good thing is about this recipe is it's not strict guidelines. It's loosey-goosey guidelines like that. You can't go wrong. The last step is we want to fill each bottle with filtered water. So this water is boiled, is filtered, and is warm. Works better when you have warm water. Water.
Can't even weed.
Oh, I can. And then just leave a little bit on the top so that you have room.
You're trying to zoom in. You're all over the place.
Oh, sorry. To make sure you have room to shake it up. You'll see that on the bottom, because your dish soap is super thick, you'll see it'll need a little bit of shaking. So I will fill up the other 2 bottles, and that is how you get 1 bottle. You get 3 out of 1 bottle. So if you want your product to last longer, you want to save some money, this is your dilution hack. If you have any questions, I'm always available to chat. I love talking about essential oils and healthy cleaning, so give me a shout.